magnetic and non-magnetic. So take it away, Jude.
Okay, what I've done is I've just got a small bowl, tray, whatever you've got, box, and I've looked around the house and I've found things that are magnetic and non-magnetic. Just interesting things, or any everyday bottle lid, tape, and what we're going to do is we're going to explain to children what magnetic and non-magnetic it is. There's things you wouldn't put in this bowl, and there's an example here.
So you wouldn't put in something in this bowl that has rubber, metal and plastic. That just gets really confusing because the metal is potentially magnetic but the plastic and the rubber obviously aren't. So you make sure that when you choose your item it is either totally plastic or a magnetic metal.
Yes, because there are other metals that are magnetic.
Yes, and we also use something like this, where you have your magnetic and your non-magnetic sides, so that the children can place it on the right side, depending on what it is.
And then about the magnet, we've just got a closed magnet here, which are not usual. We would, this is just because of lockdown and what we've had at the moment, but ideally we'd use the horseshoe magnet, and it has a little keeper on the end. And it's really good to keep it in at a different bowl, so it's special. So that's what I've got. And then we can bring it out and start using. Once again, left to right. I'm just going to place first something that is magnetic. And then I'm going to say this word is magnetic, this word is non-magnetic. This is magnetic because it's stuck to the magnet. I'll place it in there. And then I'll choose something that's non-magnetic and show them exactly the same thing. So, doesn't stick, non-magnetic. Go through the items any way they want. Now something I would discourage, the kids love that action as it flicks back onto it. Metal, magnetic, is that they take it out first and then do this, because if they put their magnet in here, they're going to pick up several things like this. So try and discourage that, even though it's fun. Try and get them to place the object that they want to do first in front of them, then take the magnet out, see if it's not magnetic or not.
Yeah.
And place it in magnetic, non-magnetic.
And when you show this activity to your child for the first time, Jude, would you go through all of the things in there first, or would you do the same as the sink and float and just do one magnetic and one non-magnetic first, and then you let them go for it?
Mainly one thing, maybe two, because they're so different.
Yeah.
And then say, would you like a turn? Step away, go to the side, and let them have a turn. But also say to them, try and take things out and put it in front, not put your magnet into the bowl.
Yeah.
That saves confusion.
And when you first introduce this activity to your kids, you need to make sure that all the metal objects in the bowl are magnetic.
That's right, because there's a few things that aren't, and Claire's got some examples here.
Yes, so I have a dog tag here, and as you can see, it's not magnetic, but it's metal. So when you're first showing children, they start to understand that metal things tend to be magnetic, and when you throw in a non-magnetic metal thing, it starts to make it really confusing for them. So you want to keep it really straightforward and simple when you start, and then when they have a really good understanding of that, you can then extend it to mixing it up, non-magnetic and magnetic metals in a bowl.
In a bowl, yeah, and you can use things, and then they can see that not all metals are magnetic, but we don't want to confuse them at the start. We keep it very clean and simple, magnetic, non-magnetic. If they love this activity, then go on to other ones with the alloys. Yeah,
and another fun thing they can do as well, once they have this concept really well understood, is that they can then take their magnet and go around the house and figure out what things are magnetic and what things aren't, because I know everyone will know the fridge is magnetic, but they might not know that a bar stool leg is magnetic, so you can find out things that are magnetic and non-magnetic.
And for older children, they can go around trying and then write the word, which are really interesting because they're bigger words as well. Alloyed, magnetic, your coffee table, dishwasher, all those things. So you can actually change it up for your older kids as well.
Yeah, so mix it up.
Yeah, great.
Cool. Thanks for watching. Comment below on how you get on with this activity and if you've got any questions. And we'll see you next time. Cheers.
Great. Thanks.